Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. My name is Sammy, and today I am going to bring you along with me and get some cleaning done. As you can tell, my kitchen needs some desperate help. I went the entire weekend, didn't touch anything in the kitchen, and then we did our Valentine's Day dinner at home that we cooked together also with some steaks, so that is where all this nasty grease and everything came from, and I just have not yet had the energy or the motivation. So today I have decided that I'm going to try and tackle as much as I can while Desiree is taking a nap. So we'll see how much I can get done. So I just wanted to bring you along. I have 5 kids, if you do not already know that. So I am a very, very busy mom. And I am a stay-at-home mom as well, but I do also work from home. Basically, I help care for one of our friends' babies during the day, every day through the week. So not only do I have Desiree that I'm taking care of daily, I am also taking care of another baby. So sometimes life gets crazy, if you're too focused on cleaning all the time, then sometimes, at least for me, it feels like it takes away from my time with my kids. So that's something that I'm working on with myself this year, is not being so ridiculously over the top with making sure everything is so tidy and spick and span and shiny, and the kids don't really care about that. So it's more important for me that I start figuring out different ways that I can, balance my time out so mom can get some time in with the kids. Yes, husband helps clean, kids help clean. Everybody's got their chores. But this weekend, we were all lazy. I mean, let's be real. Not every day do you have it all together all the time. And that is okay. And that is why I have created this channel, is so that you feel and see that not always is everything so put together, just because things are on video. This is real life. This is a busy mom life. Everybody that has children can relate to that. So again, it's okay if you do not have everything done and your whole house clean currently. Any other time, not a big deal. So today I just decided that I'm ready to tackle the kitchen. So that's what we're doing. So as soon as I get done doing this load of dishes, I will then move on to the next step of what I do in the process in cleaning the kitchen and the dining room, is then just grabbing any dish that's throughout the house, on the table, on the counters, on the stove, and try to pile everything else that I couldn't fit in the sink, so that way I can move on to wiping down the counters. And another thing I wanted to add too, when I am loading the dishwasher, is I like to go through the refrigerator and pull out any spoiled or bad food that's ready to be thrown out. So that's what I'm doing here, is I have pulled everything out of the fridge that I need to get rid of, and I'm just washing it down the drain in the garbage disposal, and then putting that over to the side, so I have every single dirty dish all in one place. Okay, guys, so we were able to get everything completed in the kitchen. Again, after this video, I did 2 more loads of dishes before the dishes were completely cleared out of the sink. But I just feel so much better that I was able to get everything done right before Desiree woke up. It took me about an hour and a half to do. But thank you so much for coming along with me. I hope this video gave you guys some kind of motivation to get something done in your home. And I will see you guys on my next video. I am doing this voiceover a week past when I filmed this almost, but again, life gets crazy and hectic, but at least I'm getting it out here for you. So again, if you enjoy cleaning motivation videos like this, definitely like and subscribe to my channel so you could be part of my family. And I have some new and exciting content I'm excited to share with you guys. So definitely hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video.